Greetings everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix your Snapchat's map not working. Now, this is a very common issue and the fix is actually quite simple. You're going to want to start things off by clicking on the top left red icon. Once you do that, you want to click on the settings icon, which is located on the top right part of the screen. Now you want to scroll down until you see the See My Location option. You're going to see that ghost mode is activated. Now you're going to want to turn that off, and you can either select that you only want your friends to see it, or your friends with certain exceptions, or just simply pick the friends that you want them to see it. It doesn't really matter, to be honest. It's more of a what you want, but the point is it has to be turned off. Now once you do that, the map should be working at this point. If not, please kindly let me know down in the comments so we could go through a different method. And yeah, I hope that was helpful. Cheers.